is that you have been nominated to the highest court in the land, and you will be the deciding vote in many cases that will affect people's lives. And I appreciated that you've said it's not the law of Amy. It's not your law. But the point is that you will be in a really important position. I think that's one of the reasons that they're trying to ram through this process right now. And while you're not saying how you're going to rule on cases, as I said yesterday, I've been following the tracks, and the only way for the American people to figure out how you might rule is to follow your record and to follow the tracks. And we know this. You've said you consider Justice Scalia one of the most conservative judges in our nation's history as a mentor. You've criticized the decision written by Justice Roberts upholding the Affordable Care Act. In a 2015 NPR interview, you praised the dissent by Justice Scalia in another Affordable Care Act case, saying the dissent had the better of the legal argument. You signed your name to a public statement featured in an ad that called for an end to what the ad called the barbaric legacy of Roe v. Wade, which ran on the anniversary of the 1973 Supreme Court decision. You wrote your own dissent disagreeing with longstanding court rulings on gun safety, expressing your legal opinion that some felons should get guns, and you once discussed a dissent in the marriage equality case asking whether it was really the Supreme Court's job to make that decision. So to me, these tracks lead us to one place, and that is that you will have the polar opposite judicial philosophy of Justice Ginsburg. And to me, that would change the balance of this court, which is already 5-4 and known as very conservative when you look back through history, to 6-3. 6-3. And that would have great repercussions for the American people.